Welcome to the Yum Yum Yogi. Today we will be making Shrikhand, a tangy cardamom saffron flavored Indian dessert. This is of course dairy-free. Before we start, let's reflect on this thought. In the light of wisdom, I not only find my wings, but also help the whole world to fly. Let's start by taking the seeds out of cardamom pods. We need half a teaspoon of cardamom seeds. We need a pinch of saffron. Take 1/3 cup of sugar, put it in a spice blender, in a small blender, any blender that powders sugar. Take the cardamom seeds, the pinch of saffron, and powder fine. You shouldn't feel the grittiness of this cardamom seeds, just powder it really fine. And for this recipe we are using vegan cream cheese. I used to love this dessert and I missed eating it. After a lot of trial and error, this vegan version has come to life. I'm so excited to share this with you. This is so easy because we are using cream cheese and not the labor-intensive process of taking liquid out of yogurt. But we do need vegan yogurt for this. Add 2 tablespoons of vegan yogurt. And we need fresh lime juice. It has to be lime juice, not lemon, and it has to be fresh. I usually use about 1 lime, but to give you an approximate idea, you need about 2 to 3 tablespoons of lime juice. Add the sugar mixture to this and blend. And that's it. You have a really amazing tasting dessert. So simple, gets done in 5 minutes and tastes so amazing. And it tastes better actually after you put it in the fridge for a few hours and then eat it. And I always garnish with sliced almonds. It really gives it a nice tang. But before we taste it, let's do this. In the light of wisdom, I not only find my wings, but also help the whole world to fly. Okay, let's taste this. It's really yummy. It has that limey taste and the saffron and the cardamom. It's yummy.